Welcome to part one of a video series detailing my bike packing trips. Right now preparing for a 2019 assault of the Tour Divide. And this is part one, and we'll talk about the bike. Alright, this is Flow, single speed mountain bike. It's a Specialized Crave. It's bought a few years ago. I can remove the flat bars and put on drop bars and Hilux hydraulic brakes, and those have been awesome. And I like riding the drop bars. I've done the Check 40 on this bike, configured this way with the bars, but as a single speed. It comes as a single speed, but this 11L adapter kit allows you to convert single speed levers to gears. So I did that the other day. This is my first ride testing it out. I've got an XT derailleur on back. That one is indexed for mountain. You can get them indexed for road derailleurs, but there's a Shimano XT derailleur, and that's an 11 by 46 cassette, giving me low gears. There's a 36 tooth chain ring in front. I got a Blackburn frame bag, Ortlieb saddle pack, Blackburn gas tank. This is a little problematic. We may talk about that, or maybe not. This is really a highly useful little guy. Sits way out of the way, and you can put your phone in it. And I've got quite a bit of stuff in there, food and tools. I just have my tent strapped to the front, so that's good to go. I do know this is a dummy load, but I have packed my sleeping bag and mat and everything back there, plus clothes, so that has high capacity. It's very awesome. Yeah, and I got these mounts, which are good for bottle cages. This is a plastic cage. It's a bad idea. That broke on the way out here, so I ain't gonna take that. And so this is our first ride on this rig, and just thought I'd document it, and we'll see how it does on a little bit of single track.